Today's video is about convenience. We love Publix and we love their prepared foods, but we don't love the amount of mayonnaise in their macaroni and potato salad. So today I'm going to transform a good macaroni and potato salad into a great macaroni and potato salad.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and it has the same effect on me. It's just something about the
Most grocery stores have prepared macaroni and potato salad. So these are from Publix, because that's where we shop. These are their smallest containers. There's also a medium size and a large size. So you might be able to see from the sides that there's a fair amount of mayonnaise in there, and that's what we want to fix. Now, of course, you could make your own from scratch, and that would be great. I don't have a recipe right now. Maybe the viewers can help me out by sending me some great recipes for macaroni and potato salad. But otherwise, you'll see all these ingredients here. We're not going to use everything, but I wanted to show you some of what your options are. There's even more choices I don't have here. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to make macaroni and potato salad today. All right, I have water boiling. I'm going to add some salt to it. Not too much because I will be adding more. And I figured for that small size container, I need about 3/4 of a cup of small elbow macaroni. So that'll take a few minutes to boil. And then we'll be back. The elbow macaroni is cooked, and now I'm going to drain it.
Wait, can you do that again so I can get a better shot?
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Now I'm going over to my bowl. So I'm adding it to what I already have. I'm going to stir it around. Now you're probably thinking, well, why is this a convenience? And that's because you didn't have to make the mayo and all the other ingredients that go in with that. You're just adding to what's already here. What I also like to add is some sweet relish, or you could do dill relish. So everything's subjective, however much that you think you're going to like. You're going to have to taste test it. Stirring each time. Trying to get that relish spread out a little bit. Okay, we like a lot of crunch, so I've already chopped up celery. I'm not going to use all of this. I haven't included the leaves or the top. Now their recipe does have carrots in there, but not much, so I'm adding more. Plus the color. Okay, now I'm going to add celery salt. We like that. And like some YouTubers say, measure with your heart. And then I'm going to add salt and pepper.
Oh, come on.
You want more?
Jenna doesn't like pepper.
No, not as much. I like salt better.
Let me help her out here.
No, gosh. That might be, oh gosh, that's too much for me. All right, well then I'm adding more salt. I think Mark overdoes the pepper.
Like Rosetta overdoes the salt.
Probably true. The last little bit, I'm going to do green onions.
What the heck are those things?
Special scissors. Aren't they cool? Got those for Mother's Day. Okay. Okay, and then you could add some for decoration on top when you put it into a nice serving bowl. And that's it, you're done. Potato salad's down, and then of course, I'm gonna stick it in the fridge. It would be definitely better if it's refrigerated before you serve it.
Let me have a spoon. I got to taste test it.
Oh, no, not yet.
Oh, come on.
No.
Why not?
Okay.
Where's that written?
Okay.
Okay.
See if we need more of anything. That might fall off your spoon.
Mm.
Is it good? Does it need anything? It's nice and crunchy. I can hear the crunch.
Good.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so it doesn't need anything else.
Needs a little more celery salt.
Celery salt, okay. What do you think? That's good. Now I'm going to make the potato salad. So first I'm going to add, of course, some salt to my water. And these are little potatoes, so that required very little cutting. Some were big and I had to cut into fourths, but most of them were just cut in half. And then these are going to boil. As soon as they're ready, we'll continue with the recipe.
Yeah.
Next is we're checking our potatoes to see if they're ready.
How do you do that?
So you pull one out. If the fork goes in easily, it's ready.
Did it?
Yes. And we're going to drain them. You want them firm, but not too firm. And you can get a facial at the same time. Got one lone potato left. Okay, I've drained them. Now I'm going to put them into my bowl. And this time I'm going to add my spices and everything at the beginning before I add the potato salad. And actually I need to get my potato salad and other ingredients out of the fridge, because I put them in there. Okay, I did salt. Probably not enough for Mark.
Definitely not.
Celery. I might not put all that in. I don't know. Let's see. We have bacon. I might save some of that for decoration on top. Okay. And I couldn't decide on which kind of paprika, the sweet or the smoked. I'm going to try the smoked today, since we have bacon in there. And mustard. Now there's so many different ingredients you can add. Make it your own adventure. Find what you like. Now if you find out that you've added too much elbow macaroni for the mayonnaise, or too many potatoes for the mayonnaise, you can just add mayonnaise. So now I'm going to add theirs. This is what their potato salad looks like.
Way too much mayonnaise.
Yeah, way too much mayonnaise for us. I mean, it's good. We're not saying it's not good. We're just saying we like less mayonnaise. And actually, Mark doesn't even like mayonnaise.
But I do like potato salad and macaroni salad, so.
Right, when I do it this way.
When she sends it down.
Now you might like your potatoes smaller or even mushy. Again, we like more of the crunch. The more you make it, you'll find out how you like it. I don't think I've made potato salad in a long time.
Well, not since last summer for sure. It's not exactly a Christmas dish.
Right, true. I mean, I don't even remember making it last summer.
I do.
Yeah? Okay. So my pieces are definitely bigger than theirs, but I think that's okay. It's not an exact science. What do you think? What do we need more of before we start tasting it?
Pepper.
Pepper. Besides pepper. Anything else? Some more bacon, maybe? Of course, if we're adding more pepper, we gotta add more salt. Okay, I think we need some more bacon. Maybe a little more celery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna taste it now, then we're gonna put it in the fridge, probably for a couple hours, and then we're gonna do a final tasting, because you're probably gonna have it cold.
All right, let's give it a taste.
Yeah. Okay, I think I've got it mixed enough. Your utensil? Getting a piece of bacon on mine.
It's pretty darn good.
It is.
Leave it just the way it is.
Okay. And then, sorry, still have food in my mouth. So in a couple hours after it's chilled and we try it again, we might make adjustments then. So you make it how you want it. Okay.
Into the fridge?
Mm-hmm. Yep, sorry. Let me clean that off. I don't want to lose any of that. Yeah, there was a potato on there. Okay, I'm gonna put it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in our secondary fridge where we have some room, and then we'll be back. You don't want to see our laundry room. It's not a pretty sight. Oh, I know what we forgot. Green onions.
I'll get it back out.
Oh, gotta get it back out. I thought there was something green. I forgot. Got all excited. Gotta use our tool.
I think you need more.
I think so too.
A whole nother stalk, I think.
No, I don't think that much. We can always add more. We can't take out. All right, then let me give it a toss around again. Oh, for color, it definitely looks good, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right, going back in. We'll be back. Okay, now we wait. All right, we have macaroni and potato salad. The last thing I was waiting to do was to add some more bacon bits on top of the potato salad. You know, a little garnish.
Oh my gosh. She's trying to kill me.
No. Good food. There's no reason why you can't eat good food.
That's correct.
Yes. We're using our spoons.
I can't dig right in.
No.
Oh, okay.
We're going to put some on our plates.
A potato salad for Mark.
Here, I'll give you some.
Trade you.
Good idea. So we started out with store-bought and then doctored it up. And like I say, there's so many flavor combinations. There's so many recipes out there. Add what's your favorite. Keep out what you don't. Okay, what are you trying first?
Macaroni.
Okay. We did let it chill for almost 2 hours. That turned out great. I'm happy with that. Okay. Potato salad? Are you trying potato salad? No? You having more macaroni salad? I'm going for the potato salad. That's good too.
Wow.
So this is how we like it.
Potato salad's good.
I love the crunch.
Yeah, and when we get it in the store, it doesn't have the crunch or the...
Right.
It's just mayonnaise and noodles or mayonnaise and potatoes, so...
So of course you can make pasta salad with any kind of noodles. Doesn't
I like
matter.
all the additions add flavor, make it look beautiful.
And it stretches it too. So instead of buying those small containers, now there's enough to feed 4 of us, 6 of us.
We're definitely going to have to package some of this up and distribute it.
Oh yeah. No, we're keeping it. We're eating it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video because we sure did. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, the recipe is in the description box, and check out some of my other videos. We'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Very good.
I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I
Lots of
wanna
crunching.
run through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I
too?
see him. I couldn't hate him
I'm
even
happy with it.
Am I a little crazy?
Bacon makes the potato salad.
I could wake up with him by my side.
I'm waiting to put it on. Oh, those are some already in there.
On a Saturday night, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little